Hey guys, it's Greg from GWA Auto Parts, and today we're going to go over the AA ignition replacement trunk slash hatch handle for a variety of Honda vehicles, including the 2007 to 2019 Honda Fit and the 2002 to 2005 Honda Civic. So this handle here is the handle that allows you to open the trunk or hatch of the vehicle. This is located right underneath the Honda logo. So if you're looking at the hatch, you'll see the Honda logo right here. And then this is tucked underneath the hatch, just like that. So what this handle allows you to do is this handle allows you to open the hatch or the trunk on the vehicle. There's a cable that connects to here. So when you pull the handle, it pulls the cable and allows the hatch or the trunk to open. On a lot of the vehicles as they age, this handle and this hinge part break here, and you can't open the hatch. So this product's actually fairly easy to install. On the inside of the hatch or trunk lid, you'll remove the plastic panel, and there's two bolts that are going to secure the handle. You'll remove the two bolts, you'll pull this out, disconnect the cable, reinstall the cable, and install a new handle. Installation typically takes about 20 minutes on this part. If you guys have any questions about the installation, whether this is the right part for your vehicle, please feel free to reach out to us. We'll be glad to help.